I'm going to ask you something, and I want you to be honest with me. And please feel free to comment below. This is a safe space for everyone to talk about our own experience, because that's how we learn as well. How many hours did you shoot last month? And how much money did you make? If you're a beginner photographer, maybe you didn't make any money, or you did very little, or maybe you didn't have clients. And if you're a professional photographer, maybe you made money, but it's changing a lot month by month, because I've been there myself as well. When I was still trying to make it happen in London as a full-time photographer, I didn't know how to do the things properly to increase my revenue. I was leaving a lot of money on the table, and that's why I'm going to show you all the tricks I use right now, and I wish I did before, because if I would have done this time ago, I would have made much more money from my clients. And it's not about increasing your fees yet. I'm going to show you something that you can apply today, and you are going to be able to make more money with your current clients, even if you are a beginner. Please take some notes and stick with me till the end, because you are going to see your photography business completely different after watching today's video. In a very positive way, because you're gonna feel more encouraged, because you're going to see that it's not that hard to make a full-time income with your photography business. So what's the actual problem or mistake many photographers make? Me, the first one, for actually a few years after becoming full-time. I'm not ashamed of it. It's quite normal to make this mistake, and there is nothing wrong with it either, but you are leaving a lot of money on the table if you do this. For example, you are shooting, I don't know, you have a portrait photo shoot, or maybe a wedding, an event, whichever photo shoot you are having, because this involves everyone in the industry, and then you send the proofs to your client, okay? And they select the photos for you to edit. So when I edited the photos, what I did is put them together. We all know Dropbox, WeTransfer, Google Drive. It's a very common thing to do in photography. You put the photos together and you send them to the client through that link. Nothing wrong with it. I used to do that all the time. You are leaving a lot of money behind. Imagine what it would happen if instead of sending that link, you send a beautiful gallery that they feel it's been designed for them. First of all, you are going to look incredibly professional. You are going to be able to increase your fees as well, because your client experience is going to level up by a lot. But most importantly, you are going to make more money, because they are going to see the gallery, and then inside the gallery, they can order prints, they can order canvases, they can order products. And because the gallery is super beautiful and they can share it with anyone, with friends, family, even on the phone, because this gallery has an app for the phone as well, they are going to be tempted constantly to spend more money in that gallery, or buy more photos as well, or order prints, because they can do it themselves. And then I'm gonna tell you as well a few tricks inside the gallery to create urgency for them to buy more photos than the ones they paid for. And the gallery I'm going to be talking about, because I've been using it for a while already, is Pic-Time. They are sponsoring today's video because it got a crazy upgrade, and it's in my department, which is design. So I'm very happy about that, because I'm going to show you how you can create very easily, without graphic design experience, beautiful galleries and shops. I'm going to show you two photo shoots from my recent photo shoots in Bali, for you to see every single trick you can use inside the galleries to increase the income with every client you are shooting with. Because I'm gonna be very honest, I didn't use any other galleries before, just Pic-Time. And I think it's incredibly complete. So if you are using any other gallery, that's totally fine, but maybe keep watching so you can compare and see which features you have that Pic-Time has, or the opposite way around. I have here a few albums. This one is the gallery for the proofs, okay? You can build as many galleries as you want. And this one is the final gallery, the gallery where you can make more money, let's say. So this is for an editorial campaign I did with a client. If you click on it, you can click here in the new update, which is the recommended, the Pic-Time 2.0. This is the new release. And I'm very excited about that, because now you have many more options to customize your galleries. So I'm gonna go here to photos and media. You just drop the photos here. It's very simple. I do have a video about this, but I wanna go to the design part, because this is the upgrade. If you go to design, you can preview here in the right, which is incredible for you to preview how everything looks when you are designing it, how the gallery looks. And look how beautiful it looks already. And you can click here in the computer, in desktop, how it looks, or in the phone, because Pic-Time as well has an app which is free, and your client can download it and see their galleries as many times as they want and share it with their friends and family. And this is very beneficial for you because it looks very high-end, and they are going to be tempted all the time to buy more photos, or I'm gonna show you later, to buy stuff from the shop. This is the exciting part. Here you can do color combinations. So you click here, gray, moody greens, like I love. I could leave this one, for instance. Then here you can go to look and feel, and you can click on classic, and you're gonna see how it looks, which I don't like so much. I prefer the hero photo big. For me, this is very editorial. I'm gonna show you to compare. This is the classic one, fine. This is much better, you see, when it's like proper cover photo. Minimal, airy. This is very cool as well. I'm gonna preview it in big so you can see it. And this is how it would look. You can see here the company, the date, and then my logo, because you can upload your logo in Pic-Time, so it applies in every single gallery. And if I go down, you can also design this part here. I put the location, Ubud, Bali. Maybe you are shooting in a wedding and you have to put different locations, maybe in the church, in the garden, reception, blah, blah, blah. So everything is very well categorized. And then you have here the photos. And they look very good because it looks like a website you created for your client. But you go up, you see here gallery, which is the photos, and then you can go here to shop. I'm gonna show you later. In the following gallery. But then here you can go to feature videos. This is something I recommended you to do in another video, because now I try to record behind the scenes for my Instagram account to share with you guys, or for my YouTube channel. So as an extra, I don't charge them more. So what I do is give the videos away as an extra for free. And they are always very happy because they didn't expect it. And this is such a nice way to impact your client. So these are just some behind the scenes. So you can attach videos in Pic-Time as well, and it's very easy for them to download them as well. So let's go back. This one is very nice as well. This title, expressive. This one is beautiful. And then you can customize it. I'm gonna click here, and you can change the font, you see. I like it very minimalist. Let's do light. And this is so high-end. It looks like a website. You have to agree with me that sending this, your client is going to be super excited, more than if you send a link. So when they see this gallery beautifully made, they are going to share it with all their friends, family. They are going to browse here, and they're gonna explore the shop. I'm gonna show you now, actually. I'll show you later the other gallery, but I'm gonna show you the shop. There are even mock-ups already built in Pic-Time. The only reason we don't make money with albums, for instance, because this is something I never explored before, it's because it seems like a hassle. You have to have a shop in your website maybe, and link it to a third party, which is quite complicated sometimes. I think like it's very complicated for the client to request an album from you. So they do it themselves and you are losing the money. So now, because you make it easy for them, they can go here, for instance, to flat lay albums. Let's click. They can see how the album is going to look, and they can choose everything, the cover, the color of the cover, and they have beautiful examples of the albums for them to see what they are choosing. Select photos, and I'm gonna select, for instance, this one here, this one. Just a few, it's just to show you how it works, but the client can do this, and maybe you are sleeping, and suddenly you wake up and you check your Pic-Time dashboard, and you are like, oh my God, I've got an order in the shop for $600. And that's money you didn't expect to make from that client. So don't underestimate the power of galleries, because this is such a way to make passive income as well. So I selected these photos, finished and personalized. They are professionally designing a photo album by themselves, and it's super simple, as you can see. And then if you press here in text, they can add the text they want here, so they can design the cover as well. And then they just have to add to cart, and that's it. And Pic-Time does everything for you. And I'm gonna show you the other gallery and more tricks Pic-Time built in for you to get more revenue from your current clients. This one is more interactive, and you have the gallery here. I loved this photo shoot. I went very early in the morning to catch the best lighting. She's a bodybuilder, so that's why so many poses, they're quite forced. It's because she won a championship in Australia as a bodybuilder, and she wanted memories with her current body because they were very hard for it. So I took her to this waterfall here in Bali, and she loved the photos and she loved the gallery. I'm gonna select this design, but I'm going to show you, If you go to gallery cover, which is the most important because it's the first impression the client gets from your gallery, click here, go to design, and look at the amount of designs you have here to choose from. So you can customize the gallery as you want, matching your style or your client's style. And if you go to text, you can edit the text manually, the size, the letter spacing, everything. So this would be the final gallery, very moody, I love it. And if you go down, same thing. You have here the gallery, you have the headers here with the locations. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you now some tricks you have to do to get more money. So let's go to shop. You can do here everything you want. You can create automations. Your job shouldn't be over after you deliver the photos. You have to be a bit cheeky. Put that gallery in front of your client again and again with newsletters, emails, reminders, whatever. So a very good trick is the sense of urgency, right? If you go here, by default, you have a few which are great ideas. You're going to see why. And Pic-Time shows you here, early bird. Increase sales by offering gallery opening discounts. What does it mean? So for example, you are sending the gallery to your client, and when you send it, tell them, if you buy the photos now, I offer you a 10% discount in the photos. What happens is, if you are shooting an event or in a wedding, that person, the bride, for instance, is going to share the gallery with everyone that attended the wedding. So everyone is going to have the gallery and everyone can buy photos. And if you do like an opening, like an early bird opening, you can say, for those who buy the photos in the first week after the delivery of the gallery, I offer a 10% discount. You are creating urgency because many people are very emotional at the beginning after the event, but after a week, they start to forget and they are not as excited. So play with urgency because you're going to be surprised how many people are going to buy photos and probably even more than they would after the event. And the other one, it's expiration promo. This works very similarly. Then another one is the abandoned cart. I'm sure you've been buying things online and you were about to, and then you received an email. You forgot something on your cart. It does work. It's proven in marketing that when you send them a reminder, you are poking them to remind them that they left something behind. So you have more chances to get more sales as well. And this one is very great for weddings or things like that. Anniversary gift can be for a birthday as well, maybe. So as an anniversary gift, you can bring your clients back to their gallery and generate new sales. And there are many more automations that you can apply, but this is just an example of all the cheeky things you can do to make more money with your current clients. If you send the photos through a link, first of all, your work is not gonna look as beautiful as in a gallery. And second of all, you are not giving them the tease of having a shop where they can build their own albums, canvases. So I didn't do this for years and I regret so much because as you can tell, there are incredible ways to make more money with photography. And now, I don't know which gallery do you use. Maybe you tell me, Laura, I have another gallery and it's amazing. That's totally fine. I'm just showing you this one because it's the one I use. But if you want to switch to Pic-Time 2.0 right now, Pic-Time is offering a free migration of up to 200 galleries if you sign up for an annual membership before the 27th of this month, of May 2026, which is insane because maybe you are stuck with a gallery and you feel like it doesn't have as many features as this one. And I think the features are very important if you want to make it full-time as a photographer or even if you are already and you want to make more revenue. There are many more features, but otherwise this video will be forever. Comment below if you have any questions. I will be very happy to answer everything you want to know about Pic-Time, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Big love from Bali.